Hello! Today I'm going to draw a decoration for a Christmas tree, and for this I will need a round object. I choose duct tape. It can also be a cup, plate, pot or something suitable for the size of paper or size what you like. You can also draw a circle with hands, but it is difficult and I prefer to circle some objects. I choose normal pencil and circle my object inside. I draw a line and also two lines on the right and left. This is the upper element, where the rope or ribbon is usually located. I'm adding an element of what looks like a crown. And I draw a semicircle where the ribbon runs. Delete not necessary pencil and show the ribbon. There will be a pattern on the ball. I'm drawing lines. I want to make a pattern, but also I want to make it simple, so everyone can repeat this art. And I'm ready for watercolor. For the main color, I choose a red one. I put the color along the lines. The next step is to show a shadow. I use more red paint and repeat lines to make more color. I thought that first layer is too transparent. Now I'm making a soft gradient between the paper and the red paint. My brush is clean and wet. Every time I touch red color, and after it I wash my brush. With this I make border between paper and color soft. I mix ultramarine and the previous color. This will be the color for the shadows. Layer is wet and I draw fine lines over it. I put shadow under the top element. Not forget this. And use pure ultramarine to make accents in places of white paper. But I leave some places only with white paper. I draw the top element in yellow. I'll make the background ultramarine. You can use any color you like. I leave ribbon with white paper. And very fast filling the background. Carefully put the paint near the ball. I use a lot of water and my layer very wet. You can make a few drops of paint or of water for a more interesting background. Such drops should be placed on a wet layer. If the paint has dried and paper has dried, then the drops will remain unchanged. For example, here, paper is dry and you see no result of drops. I remove it. I mix violet and orange, and with a thin brush I carefully circle the upper element. I also should be very careful with background because it's still wet. I take old mixture of violet and put some shadows. I put shadows only in one part of upper element. Not circle it fully. I take old mixture of violet and red and repeat the lines pattern on the bowl. I complement the upper element and one side of the ribbon with ultramarine. That's how I draw a decorative ball for a Christmas tree in 16 minutes. What other story would you like to see in my video on the theme of New Year and Christmas? Write to me in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'm waiting for you again in my new art lessons. Bye.